Hello everyone. Namaskaram. Hope you guys are doing good. Welcome to this session, um, an orientation session for trading mentorship program, a program which I've been running since 2008. I've been very passionate about financial market. All of you who know me, that have been very engaged in financial market as a trader, as an entrepreneur, and also as a trainer. I remember first time when I got into the exercise of educating people. This was in 2008. 2008, we started a small center in Calcutta in the name of Credit Academy. The idea was to recruit talent for my trading desk, and with that academy's endeavor, support, and God's blessing, we were able to scale up to 300 traders who trade for us in Calcutta. We are the largest trading desk in Eastern India right now. So this program, the trading education program, as I said, we've been running since 2008. We started with a certified professional arbitrager program. Then we rechristened it to certified professional trader. Then we upgraded the program to certified professional research trading and advisory CRTA. And during COVID, we stopped CRTA and we totally migrated to the trading mentorship program, which is basically a mentorship program for people who want to become traders. So I welcome all of you who have joined this program, and I also welcome people who have not yet joined the program. And I'm 100% sure that you will join the program after the end of the presentation because you will see tremendous value we as an organization is adding in this journey of empowering traders in India. All right. So I have a presentation ready with me. I'll have a lot of discussions. First 15 minutes, I'll have few discussions, and thereafter, more and more people will join. I think Swati is here with us, Payal is here, and they have laid down the plan for us. So let me just quickly get into the quick discussion which I wanted to have with all of you in the form of presentation. All right. So here we are. The presentation is ready. So let me just quickly start with the presentation. So yeah, I've talked about myself with 20 years of market experience. I think probably I'm the only person in this country right now who have been teaching people for the last 17 years. I mean, very passionate, and I love trade teaching. I think teaching and helping people to grow is the most noble occupation, and as a passion, everyone should teach. That's always been my suggestion and my recommendations to everyone I get associated with, that irrespective of what you do, you should teach people. Okay. Now, before I go into the mentorship program, let me talk about few things, generic concepts like what is trading. And trading is not something which is new for mankind. And today, humanity is far superior than any other animals because we understood the art of speculation and trading quite early in our life. So, in a very simple definition, trading is the exchange of one asset for another with a clear intent to profit. And the profit will only happen when you buy at a lower price and you sell at a higher price. When you invest, there is a different philosophy behind investing where you are investing for doing a business with the promoter of the company. Their selling is not important. Whereas in trading, selling is extremely important because when you buy something, you want to sell to book profit. Until as you sell, you are not booking the profit, you are riding the profit with the founder or the owner of the company. So, in a very simple definition, from minutes to months, trading can have different time frames. So you can be a minute trader, you can be a 5 minute trader, you can be a 10 minute trader. That's the beauty about trading as an occupation, that it gives you an opportunity to participate in market in any time frame. Okay. Uh, Trading is all about active participation. So basically, your conscious mind as well as your subconscious mind both work together to become a successful trader. And at times it becomes a habit. For example, you must have heard the concept of reflex action, which comes into our body. That if this will happen, automatically there will be a reflex action from your body. So if you become a good trader, your reflex action will become far sharper, and you will react in the right way inside the market when the reaction is needed. Okay. And probably you will not react when the reaction will not be needed. So the idea is to build the habit, the skill set of becoming a good trader for yourself. Now, trading is the most, as I said, it's the most natural occupation for humans. In the ancient world, humanity survived instinct rooted in barter system. That you take this, you give this, and there used to be a barter system which used to help people to consume things. Then the modern markets came, and financial trading started a sophisticated evolution of value exchange, where everything was given a value, right? And you know. Uh, Now there is a proper markets ecosystem, like what the trading terminals are, which derives its value from the natural instinct of people who are participating. So something which was very primitive, very physical, has now become virtual, and it has gained large scale participation. But the core of trading still remains the same, that you want to buy things which you need, and you want to sell things which you have in abundance. Okay. The advantage of trading in financial market, now that I'm sure you are convinced that trading is not something unusual, it is something very natural thing for humanity to do. The beauty of trading in financial market, that it gives you flexibility in hours. I mean, you can be a morning trader, afternoon trader, evening trader, midnight trader, whatever trading you want to do. You don't have to necessarily sit in front of the screen all the time. If you are sitting in front of the screen all the time, that means you are a full-time active trader. There are vast product profiles available: equity, commodity, futures, options. In options also, you have many, many forms of options you can trade. So basically, there is an entire universe available to you. You have to pick based on realization who you are. So this is what who you are. There are the various aspects available. You have to, in school we used to have this exam. In exam time, we used to have this no mix and match. So basically, trading is all about finding your true mojo and matching it with the skill set required for a particular asset class. Um, the beauty of trading is that you can customize the risk based on your risk profile. All of us are unique. Our risk profile is unique because our capital base is unique, our DNA structure is unique. तो जो मेरा risk profile है वो आपका नहीं हो सकता, जो आपका risk profile है मेरा नहीं हो सकता. But financial market is like a massive ecosystem, a universe, जहाँ पर everyone has right to survive and uh, at the same time grow in this financial market. तो फाइनेंशियल मार्केट को ये नहीं पता है कि विवेक बजाज को ग्रोथ देनी है और स्वाति को ग्रोथ नहीं देना है, या राजेश को ग्रोथ नहीं देना. ऐसी बात नहीं है. फाइनेंशियल मार्केट इज अ वेरी न्यूट्रल प्लेटफॉर्म. वो सबके लिए बना है. खाली मुझे अपने आई हैव टू बी 100% श्योर व्हाट आई एम हियर फॉर. दैट्स इट, राइट? There's a big debate always, that is trading a part-time or a full-time occupation. I always say this to people: do not get into that discussion at all. You can be a part-time trader and you can be a full-time trader. जरूरी नहीं है कि trading मतलब ही you want to become a full-time trader. Well, if you want to aspire to become a full-time trader, well, no problem. You start with part-time. You know, that's the good starting point, because I don't want to leave my job, I don't want to leave my business, I don't want to leave my education. I will continue with them, and at the same time, I will do some part time trading to see whether this is it for me. And if it is for you, then I will plunge, because trading is serious, serious work. It is not. Full time trading is not for free riders. Full time trading is actually for people who are committed to their career in a serious manner. Okay. Now, let me talk about the objective of running this program called Trading Mentorship Program. I think we are the best program in this country. There's no doubt about it, because we are unique. I think we are the only multi-asset trading mentorship program, and all the mentors are actual traders. So we are not academicians. Okay, what is the difference between teacher, coach, and mentor? In my definition, a teacher touches your brain, a coach touches your heart, and your mentor touches your soul. The engagement of mentor is far, far higher, both emotional as well as logical or academic engagement of mentors. So the mentorship program has has a much larger value than just a teaching or a course. So this is a mentorship program. When I say that there is a heart-to-heart connectivity, that means it is not a 6 month connectivity, it's a association. Unfortunately, we cannot say that it's a lifelong program, because finally, whose life is lifelong? Is it your life is lifelong or my life is lifelong? And regulator doesn't tell. By the way, we are SEBI regulated entity. Huh? Just to clarify that we don't do anything which is against the law of the nation. So, as a regulated entity, SEBI doesn't allow us to launch a product which is lifetime. The max is 1 year. So, basically, when I say that it's a lifetime program, it's basically lifetime relationship will build together. And at any point of time, you have any issue in your life, my mobile number will be there with you, your mobile number will be there with me, and we can connect. I mean, I had people who called me to take marriage suggestions also. Because once you are mentor of anyone, I mean, you can just mentor the person for anything. If you trust me, I should be able to help you, guide you in all possible aspects of your life. Why multi-asset is must? I always say that do not only become a Thursday expiry trader or options trader or futures trader. Become a multi-asset trader because it gives you a diversified opportunity options. It gives you a solid understanding of global impacts, and it gives you a holistic view about everything. Because at times, what happens first, currency will react, then equity will react, or first commodities will react, and then currency will react, and then equity will react. If you have a full 360-degree multi-asset understanding, your cause and effect relationship is far easily comprehensible than any other thing. Okay, so you know about the trading mentorship program. My team must have briefed you, or if not, you definitely should get in touch because this is one program which is unique. It's a multi-asset program, and you actually learn. You apply whatever you have learned. You earn for sure because earning will happen if you learn properly, and you can scale. Because trading is not just about trading with X capital. Trading is really about scaling from X to 100X. And for that, you need a hand holding, you need a father figure, you need an organization which is always behind your back. Have you seen that picture of an elephant trying to ride the truck, back of the truck, and the driver of and the guy who rides the elephant, he's just putting his hand on behind the elephant. That doesn't mean that the guy has more powerful than the elephant and he can push the elephant inside the truck. No, no, no. It's basically emphasis that I'm there behind you. Go for it. Go for it. So this program is actually you are the elephant and we are just behind you as multiple hands and giving you that support that come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. If we can do it, you can also do it. Yes, it will need fair bit of effort, but we all will work together in making sure that you put on so much effort which is required for this program. Okay. So let me just quickly touch into the graph, okay, and do some financial market point of view trading discussion with you. So this is a daily chart of Naukri, okay. I mean, just Naukri because I mean, there's no reason why I've taken Naukri. Just now, if I have to ask you this question, uh, should I be a buyer in this stock right now? Do you think the stock will go up, or should I be a seller in the stock? Could you participate in this discussion? Should I be a buyer or should I be a seller? Should I be a buyer or seller? Could you reply to this? Hello, are you guys with me? Buyer. Okay, Shweta is saying buyer. Rashmi is saying buyer. Uday, very good. Everybody is saying buy. Oh, आप सबको तो ट्रेडिंग आता है ओ नो नो वी हैव पीपल हु आर टेलिंग सेलिंग कि बेच दो ओके 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 now in a very simple technical analysis sense the stock is making higher highs and higher lows, so definitely I'll be a buyer first and seller in the next phase. Okay, very simple. अब ये डेली चार्ट को मैं जरा मंथली चार्ट में कन्वर्ट कर देता हूँ. So now you tell me, should I be a buyer or a seller first? With the same logic, it is making higher highs and higher lows, and the trend is upward. So possibly the stock will continue to go up. So I should be a buyer first. Very simple, no problem. Basic technical charting, right? Now let me convert this into a 5-minute chart. And now let's see, should I be a buyer or I should be a seller? Tell me, should I be a buyer or I should be a seller? Yeah, now Dhaval is saying, sir, you should sell because the price is coming at around resistance level. The stock went up, went down, again went up. There is a possibility the stock can hold here. So maybe we can attempt to make a sell because there is a possibility that you can get a small movement, possibly with a small risk reward ratio. The point I'm trying to make is same stock, different time interval, different judgment. Okay. You as a market participant, if you can have a clarity, इफ यू कैन हैव अ क्लैरिटी कि यार मैं क्यों आया हूँ मार्केट के अंदर में, मेरा पर्पस क्या है और मैं कितना समय दे सकता हूँ मार्केट के अंदर में, एम आई इंट्राडे ट्रेडर, स्विंग ट्रेडर, स्कैल्पर, हु एम आई? इफ यू आर एबल टू find an answer to that question, then it's easier to strategize your market participation. Well, it is easy said than done that we will be able to find an answer to that question. It's not easy to find an answer. It took me 6 months to find an answer. Some people may take 6 weeks, some people may take 6 years. सबके अपने अपने पेस होते हैं. कुछ लोगों को ये भी नहीं पता लग जाता है कि मैं ट्रेडिंग नहीं कर सकता हूँ. But the knowledge they gain from this program is not just about trading. It's about deep understanding of every aspect of market, which you will not get. I claim, and I claim to my death, I claim this kind of knowledge which we are giving cumulatively in this organization, you will not get in any other platform for sure. So before I close this, I want to show you this, and I want to put that fire inside you that we don't want to be an average people, right? Who you do you want to die average? Akhil, Vikash, Sanjay, do you want to die average? Dhananjay, do you want to die average? No, we don't want to die average. No, absolutely not. We want to, if not top, we at least want to be the top quartile of, because we want to be successful, right? We have to be success. There is no option. God has given us this beautiful life. Today we are blessed that we are today discussing when we are doing Rath Yatra. I also did Rath Yatra. How many of you participated in Rath Yatra? Lord Jagannath. How many of you went and prayed? If not, you should at least sit and pray that God give you enough strength. But what I'm saying that God has given this beautiful life to us, and we don't want to die average. We want to be 100% successful, and we want to be the top 1%. No, Dhananjay, not 5%, top 1%. इसके नीचे नहीं चलेगा. टॉप 1% हमको बनना है, और वो तभी बन सकते हैं जब हम एफर्ट वैसा डालेंगे. इफ वी पुट लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट. लेट मी शो यू दिस प्रेजेंटेशन विच इज ऑलवेज अ huge inspiration for me. Every time when I'm down, when I'm not focused, when I feel that something is wrong with me, this is the document which I open, and I open silently, I focus, and then after this, get charged, and towards the end, you can't believe that a kind of energy I float in. So the question I ask myself is, do you have it in you? क्या मेरे अंदर में है? And all I do is in couple of minutes, I'll go through this entire presentation. And look at these guys who have been 1% in whatever they have done in their life. I mean, not just 1%, actually, these people were 0.1% in whatever they have done. Yeah. All you need to do is just go through this presentation once in a day, and then you will realize that, oh my God, I mean, I cannot die average. I cannot die average. Look at these guys. Every one of them have created a difference because they did whatever they were doing with lot of honesty, lot of dedication, and extreme level of excellence. So we are not going to die average. And trading mentorship program is all about giving you that belief, making you that personality, that you at least aspire to reach 1% and be part of this elite club. Yeah, it's a secret society, isn't it? Why all these people have been able to do it and not majority of the people are not able to do it? Because there is a secret society, and we all want to become part of that secret society. So this slide is left. I am trying to bring my photo in this slide. I'm sure you would also like your photo to be in this slide and motivate yourself that yes, I can do it. And trading mentorship program by us is a perfect journey to motivate yourself that at least you can make an attempt to become a successful trader. All right. So thank you so much.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.